Hello everyone, my name is Jyoti and today's topic is linear transformation. Definition: what is linear transformation? How we define linear transformation? A transformation T from a vector space V to the another vector space V dash is said to be linear transformation if and only if for every x and y belongs to vector space, that is domain, the vector space, and alpha and beta belongs to real number, any real number, then the transformation of alpha times x or beta times y, alpha times x plus beta times y equal to alpha times transformation of x plus beta times transformation of y. And we can explain by we can discuss through by another examples also. So I'm taking one example. So in this example we determine whether it is a linear transformation or not. So determine whether a transformation from R2 to R2, that is vector space, given by transformation T of 1, 2 equal to that is 3, 5, transformation of 3, 1 equal to 6, 2, and transformation of 4, 3 equal to 10, 7 is a linear transformation. We are going to check this is a linear transformation or not. So the solution, let's start. Let x equal to 1, 2. Therefore the transformation of 1, 2 is 3, 5. That is equation 1. Similarly, for y equal to 4, 3, 3, 1, that is 3, 1. Therefore transformation of 3, 1 equal to 6, 2, 2, and x plus y, that is equal to z equal to 4, 3, 2 plus 3, and therefore the transformation of z equal to transformation of 3, 4 is 10, 7. This is 3 equation. This is given. This is also given. Yeah. So let's check. Transformation of x plus transformation of y. The transformation of x, that is here, is 3, 5 plus transformation of y, that is 6, 2. From 1 and 2, we are going to add this. So 6 plus 9, 6 plus 3, and yes, 7. This is our fourth equation. But equation 3 is not equal to equation 4. That is transformation of x plus y is not equal to transformation of x plus transformation of y. This means that the transformation is not linear. The transformation is not linear transformation. So this is our final. Thank you. See you soon.